Hello again, Dylan here from Otao Kitchen. Are you guys ready for your upcoming cooking experience? We're really excited to have you. We just wanted to share a couple details before the start of your class to ensure that your experience is comfortable and hassle-free. How to get to Otao Kitchen, you may ask? It's very easy to get here by tram or train. The stops for routes 109 and 112 are less than 200 meters away from our school. North Richmond Station is within walking distance. Street parking is limited though. Your best bet is to look at the street signs from Victoria Street, such as William, Lithgow, Albert, Murray, and Princess Street, but always pay attention to the signage. Please arrive no later than 10 minutes before the class. We'll start promptly at the scheduled time. Similar to a flight departure, we regret you may not be able to join once the class is already started, just as a respect to other guests and to our team. It is likely we'll be setting up, teaching, or serving guests, so please do not call us before or during the class as we won't be able to reach you. Please instead email us at hello@otaokitchen.com.au and we'll reply as soon as we can. On arrival, please check in, wash your hands, and get your apron on. Unless reserved, you're welcome to use any place at the benches, but please note you'll be cooking with the person in front of you, either your companion or a fellow guest. And just like that, we'll be ready to start cooking. In case you haven't done so already, remember to let us know of any dietary requirements you or your party may have. We'll see you guys soon. We can't wait to cook with you.